Craving that iconic Sam's Club food court hot dog? Let's dive into how to craft this budget-friendly masterpiece. First things first, head to the Sam's Club food court. You'll typically find a dedicated counter for these delicious dogs. Most locations offer a simple ordering process. Just tell the associate you'd like a hot dog. Sam's Club hot dogs are famously affordable, often sold individually or as part of a combo deal with a drink. Check the menu board for the current pricing and any combo specials that might be available. Once you've placed your order, the associate will expertly place a steamed hot dog into a soft, fresh bun. This is the perfect canvas for your culinary creation. Now for the fun part, customizing your dog. Sam's Club food courts usually have a fantastic condiment station. You'll find classics like ketchup, mustard, and relish. Don't be shy with the ketchup. It's a staple for a reason, adding that sweet and tangy tomato flavor. And of course, mustard. Whether you prefer the classic yellow or a spicy brown, it adds a nice bite. For a touch of sweetness and texture, pile on the relish. It complements the savory hot dog beautifully. Some locations might even offer extras like onions or sauerkraut, so be sure to check what's available to take your hot dog to the next level. And there you have it, your perfectly crafted Sam's Club hot dog, ready to be devoured. Enjoy this satisfying and inexpensive meal.